Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no
Shapa phethu kunjani igama remethini mfakaswela mswati lo mnansi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yebo baba.
Bekwabo skutha baba.
Yebo baba.
Ah.
Yeah, on today's episode we'll be talking about Kaizer Chiefs. They playing is it Gallants or
Orbit.
Orbit? My bad, Orbit. Yes, they playing Orbit. Orbit is coming from a 3-1 win on their previous on their previous game, and Kaizer Chiefs won 1-0.
Very crucial win.
Hey, Mahema Peter. Yeah. So, what do you make of this game? They'll be playing on Tuesday, the 4th of November.
It's because I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, so usually I wouldn't want to say quickly and say what's the score, what's gonna happen. But let's talk about the Orbit. The Orbit is coming from a very crucial win where they punish Umake CFC like 3-1, right? And Osaleng being the key player there. So obviously these guys, they are highly motivated, from coming from Marquez. But each and every team that going to play Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates or your Mamelodi Sundowns, they don't need motivation.
Yeah,
they are already motivated that you're going to face these kind of teams.
That's true.
So already Kaizer Chiefs on the other side, and it's gonna face that pressure. What these guys are already motivated.
Yeah.
Yeah. So going to Kaizer Chiefs, they just won, and it's a slow team, a narrow win.
Yeah.
It's a narrow win whereby I felt like that game. I was accepting because I was in the stadium with you. Accepting what this game is gonna end in a draw of 0-0. And then they get that goal. Yeah. But with them also, it's also motivation because they're like, oh, we are back on our track. We want to collect these points, and it's games like this that win you in the league. Not to say we want to win the league, but all we want is to be in the top 8.
You do want to win the league.
Ah, come on.
You just don't have capacity.
What?
You can't play for the top 8. You're a big team, right?
Okay. It's our focus.
Yeah.
I'm sure Kaizer Chiefs friends, you can comment and let us know what I'm saying. Is it wrong or right? Our focus is on the top 8.
You don't want to win the league. That's what you're saying to them.
I'm not saying we don't want to win the league. I'm just saying our focus is top 8. So, and the only thing that can catch you with top 8, it's winning games like league. I'm sorry to say, but small teams like Orbit, college kids who camping the rest. So if they're camping in the rest, Kaizer Chiefs fans are busy in the last
exams.
You see, so type of things. But I think this game is gonna be interesting because both teams are coming from a win.
Yeah,
they're coming from a win, so both teams are motivated. Yeah, we will understand that Saleng has been put back to school. But yeah. But on a serious note, I think this game is gonna be interesting because both teams are coming from a win, right? So they are already motivated. But with Orbit, they are motivated to play against Kaizer Chiefs by default.
So, what do you make of the result? Do you think the result would favor Kaizer Chiefs, or what would be the?
Kaizer Chiefs is a big team,
Yeah.
So obvious, I feel like they're gonna win this game.
I'm worried. Let me say this on camera. The way you guys keep on saying big. Why you always say big team? Because we are also big, but you wouldn't find ourselves saying.
But in South Africa, the only big team that won this weekend is Kaizer Chiefs.
All right.
So what else?
That's separate. Back to my point.
Let's go back to
why you always say big team. It's not only you. I'm not targeting you. I just see this.
Okay, wait. Is this not a big team?
And then you are deviating from the point.
But the same point from the point. Is this not a big team?
It's a big
just
team.
Because they're not playing Champions League, they are doing bad, doesn't make them a small team.
Okay, let's keep on going. The guy didn't get my question. He just ducked. Okay, yeah, man. So the game when you see Kaizer Chiefs winning it,
I think because Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Oh, I'm sorry to say that again. But what I think is because we're in a good form for me. If we're winning and we just won 3-0 go CAF, where you don't belong, and then we just won go PSL again, playing away, and then now we're going to face the Orbit, which are school kids. So for me, I feel like the job is already done. Kaizer Chiefs
Ngicabanga
scored two
ukuthi
maximum points.
ngicabanga ukuthi kuthola amaswidi lapha ku-CAF, eh?
So yeah, I see Kaizer
I'm,
Chiefs.
I'm just deviating
Uh,
kancane to the point
Don't talk about
because I see
something. Don't talk about something with Hogwarts.
what I'm saying. I'm saying ukuthi you think that uthola amaswidi lapha ku-CAF? That's my question.
As I was saying, so yeah, I see Kaizer Chiefs
Okay.
winning. I see them punishing a Orbit City.
Mm.
Yes.
Do you have a score?
Yeah.
Okay, tell us.
A simple 3-0.
All right.
A simple one.
They haven't won.
Salem will try his best, but
They
he
haven't-
won't pass through
They haven't
Makati and
won
Cross.
more than 2 goals this season.
And another
Do
thing,
you-
we
do you
don't
know
have
that?
we don't have Mikel in this game. He's suspended.
Suspended.
So I want
Oh.
to see if Kunika is gonna come
That's
back as
interesting.
captain. Yeah. So Kunika, I'm expecting Kunika to come
Yeah.
back tomorrow. Like, yeah.
True. And Kunika was performing well.
Yeah.
I don't know why he was dropped, but yeah, you cannot complain. When the team wins, everyone is motivated
But
enough to.
it's funny
up.
because in them Nanduti, as much as there's a captain committee,
Mm.
some they're good at the bench to shout at the boys and tell them they do this and that. So I see Kaizer Chiefs winning this game. I don't see them considering any goal.
Okay. Guys, nizwele. Ningakhohlwa-ke. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep those comments going on the comment section. Likes, share with all your friends. Tell your friends.
Tell a friend to tell another friend.
You know what I'm saying?
That People Fusion is on YouTube.
Yeah. We'll see you on another one.
Certified Mswati Lumnanzi.